So today, since it's Halloween, we've been doing lots of stuff. First thing we did was make biscuits and decorate them with some icing and sprinkles and stuff. Then after that, we played a little game of ping pong. And we had potions, and we had to
land the ball in the other
and then we
team.
had to try and get the ping pong ball in the potions.
It was girls v boys, wasn't
It was girls v boys, but we lost. The girls lost.
it? We decided that we were gonna do my dad's makeup.
We turned him into a little zombie. We used hairspray on his hair, black hairspray, and then we just did his face all green.